What is rain? Rain is liquid precipitation, water falling from the sky. Raindrops fall to earth when clouds become saturated or filled with water droplets. Millions of water droplets bump into each other as they gather in a cloud. When a small water droplet bumps into a bigger one, it condenses or combines. In conclusion, we may say that rain is essential for maintaining the balance of the water cycle and the ecosystem on Earth. The three types of rainfall types occur due to different reasons and through different phases. It is important to learn them in detail to understand their significance.